Hello, my name is Jonathan Abraham, Fox business student majoring in MIS. Today I will be showing you how to utilize Parallels Desktop to create virtual machines on your Mac computer to seamlessly run Windows applications and software. And thanks to Microsoft DreamSpark, courtesy of Temple, I was able to acquire both Windows 7 and Windows 8. So first I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a virtual machine. First I'm going to open Parallels Desktop. This is version 7. Since I don't have any virtual machine created, I'm prompted with this very user-friendly guide. So I'm going to click Install Windows. And I'm going to choose the image file, which I downloaded from Microsoft DreamSpark. Let's see. First we'll install Windows 8. Continue. Now it gives you two options what kind of integration levels you want. You could have it like a Mac, and the Windows programs will appear without the Windows desktop, or like a PC, and it keeps the Windows desktop and programs together in one window, and you could seamlessly switch back and forth. Since I've been a PC user all my life, I like having the Windows desktop platform to work off of, so I'm going to install it like a PC. What's so great about this is I used to have Windows 7 installed via Boot Camp, but it just was very annoying to constantly have to reboot my system. And the solution was Parallels. With Parallels, I'm able to, with the flick of my finger, switch between both operating systems. It's really amazing software. So I'm going to let Windows install here. Depending on what operating system you're installing, I would recommend you give yourself at least 30 minutes to completely install your new virtual machine. But you could do both installations at the same time, depending on the capacity, the operating capacity of your computer you're using. So Windows 8's almost ready. I'm going to go ahead and start the Windows 7 installation. And just so you guys know, I'm doing this installation on a MacBook Pro, quad-core processor, and 4 gigs of RAM. Now that you have Parallels installed on your computer, I'm going to show you how to access your virtual machines. You simply go to Parallels Desktop in your dock, right-click, Virtual Machines List, which brings you up the screen with all the virtual machines you have installed. I'm going to press the Power On button for Windows 8, and you'll see here it's starting in a new window. Wow, I'm running Mac OSx in this other screen here. We'll make this full screen. Alright, so Internet Explorer opens up, which is a application that only runs on Windows. So I have this open in my virtual machine, and with simple mouse gesture to my left, I have access to my the dock through Mac OSx, or I could use gestures to switch between desktops. So here's my Mac OSx desktop, here's my Parallels desktop, and I can just click between them and go operate, use iTunes, any other specific Mac software, calendar. I mean, things take a little longer to load, and this does bog down your computer, but you could change the settings accordingly and specify the amount of memory and CPU usage your virtual machine will utilize. So calendar, and now I'll just use gestures, switch back to Parallels desktop, and I'm back on my Windows virtual machine. It's pretty cool. So, let's see, don't know how to get out of here. Oh, there we go. So yeah, I have a lot to learn and mess around with within Windows 8. Yeah, to turn off the virtual machine. Let's see. Alright, that's the end of my tutorial. Thank you for watching.